Okay, we got us a nice little swarm here. We're going to take care of this. I'm going to use my vacuum cleaner this evening to get these put into a bucket, and then once I get them home, I will transfer them over into a nice box. Put a queen includer on there to keep her there for a few days and make sure they're nice and happy before I remove that. But looks to be a pretty good little swarm. They've been here and got here today, this afternoon, and so I came over to collect them, and then I'll relocate them back to my house. So stay tuned. I'm going to get my vacuum cleaner set up, and then we'll start getting these relocated. Now the vacuum cleaner setup I'm using, it's actually a vacuum cleaner hooked up to a bucket. So what that bucket does is it helps reduce the amount of suction. That way it does not harm the bees, tear off their wings, anything like that. If you were to use just a regular vacuum cleaner and suck them up, it would basically kill all of them. So this setup I've got works very well. And so for removals like this, you know, you can get them taken care of, put them in a bucket, and then I put them in the truck. Keep them cool to where they don't overheat in the bucket on the trip home, and then when I get them home, I transfer them over into a box. So I try not to leave them in there too terribly long. That way they don't get harmed, and in the end, I get some bees, and hopefully, you know, they make some honey. Okay, we're fixing to get started. Let me get finished suiting up here. Normally this does not disturb them either too bad, so they don't really get, you know, too aggravated, especially being it's late in the evening, getting close to dark. Hopefully they won't really get too aggravated at me. Okay, so I've got them all put in the bucket. So yep, now I'll get them to the truck, get them cooled off, and ready for the ride home. And yeah, then we'll put them in a box, and hopefully they like their new home. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 50 subscribers, and that way I can actually do live YouTube videos. So if you want to see me do anything live, yeah, well, like and subscribe. That'll help me out. Thank you so much.